Do you know the way you prompt or ask ChatGPT a question determines the result or output you get out of ChatGPT or any other AI tools? And it is kind of frustrating when you ask ChatGPT or any other AI tool something and they keep giving you busy, boring answer. Well, here is the truth. The problem is not AI, it's the way you are prompting. But don't worry, because in this video, I'm going to show you the exact formula professionals use to craft powerful prompts for any purpose, whether it's content creation, YouTube automation, or business growth. And if you watch till the very end of this video, you will never have to beg for prompt online again. You will be able to create your own powerful prompt faster, smarter, and more effectively than ever before. This kind of tutorial is something people usually charge money for, but I'm giving it to you completely for free because I believe in helping all of us to grow together. And all I ask in return is that you subscribe and turn on the notification bell on this channel, because on this channel explore YouTube automation, AI tool, and practical ways to make money using AI. Alright, let's get started. The point is that you have to stop begging for prompt. That is not the real solution. Most people think they need to copy and paste perfect prompt they found online to get great results with AI. But that's not true. The real secret is not about finding a magic prompt. It's about learning how to build your own prompt. Once you understand the structure behind a good prompt, you will get a better result from AI every single time, no matter what you are working on. And that is what I'm about to show you. A simple formula that anyone can use to create a powerful prompt for anything you want to create with AI. And I will break it down each one, and I will give you a practical example so you never have to struggle with prompting ever again. The formula 1 is role, number 2 is task, 3 is constraints, and 4 is output format. So I will explain each of these in detail and with examples, so stick around. The formula number 1 is the role, which is telling the AI who to be. This is the first step, and honestly is one of the most important. When you set a role, you are telling the AI to put on a hat like an actor stepping into a character. Without a role, the AI responds in the general neutral way. But with a role, the AI adapts to the identity and delivers better and more relevant results. For example, instead of saying, write me a business email, you could say, act as a professional business consultant, write me an email to pitch a marketing service to small business owners. Do you see the difference? By giving the AI the role of a professional business consultant, you guide his tone and vocabulary and perspective. Suddenly, the email sounds professional, persuasive, and industry-oriented. You can assign any role you want: a teacher, a YouTube script writer, a lawyer, a motivational speaker, or even a friendly coach. This simple step makes the AI more powerful because it knows the lens it should use to answer your question. Formula number 2 is task. That is stating what you want. Once the role is set, you need to be clear about what you actually want the AI to do. And this is the action step. The mistake most people make is being vague. If you just say, write a script or explain this, the AI will give you something shallow. Instead, be direct about the task. For example, rewrite this YouTube script to make it more engaging and easy to understand for beginners. Now, the AI has a clear job. It's not just writing, it's rewriting. It knows it needs to improve engagement and simplify for certain audience. Tasks can be anything: summarize an article, generate 10 video ideas, write a product design, create a study plan, or even act as a debate partner. The clearer the task, the better the output. Think of it like giving instruction to a chef. If you just say make a food, you will get something random. But if you say make me a spicy pasta with garlic and mushroom, you will get exactly what you want. The AI works the same way. Formula number 3 is constraint. Here you add rules like tone, style, or length. Now that you have set the role and task, it's time to guide the AI with some guide rails. This is where you add constraints. Rules that keep the output focused and usable. Without constraint, the AI might ramble or give you results that don't fit your need. Constraints would include length, that is word count, duration, number of points, or tone, professional, conversational, humorous, dramatic. Then another thing is style: simple English, storytelling, or step-by-step guide. And audience, like kids, beginner, advanced learner, of professionals. And here is an example: Keep the script under 40 words. Use a fluent English and make it sound exciting for beginners. This constraint tells the AI exactly how long the script should be, the language level to use, and the mode it should create it. It's like setting boundaries so the response stays in the lane you want. Imagine asking the AI, explain blockchain. You might get a technical, confusing answer. But if you add constraint like explain blockchain in a simple English as if I'm 12 years old and keep it under 20 words, suddenly you get a crystal clear explanation that anyone can understand. Constraints are the difference between getting something generic and getting something tailored just for you. Formula number 4 is output format. Here you specify how you want it to deliver. Finally, you need to tell the AI how to present its results. Do you want it as a list, a script, or a blog post, or a table, or even a comparison? This step is often forgotten, but is what makes the output neat, organized, and instantly usable. For example, instead of just saying, write me YouTube ideas about AI, you can say, give me 10 YouTube videos ideas about AI, each with a catchy title, one sentence hook, and a target audience suggestion. Present it in a numbered list. Now the AI knows not only what to give, but how to structure it. This saves you editing time and makes the result much more practical. Another example, provide the rewriting script followed by YouTube's description, 150 words, and 10 SEO friendly tags. See how specific that is. The AI can now package everything in the exact format you want. Putting it all together, now let's combine all 4 parts into a single powerful prompt. Before that, here is the basic prompt. Rewrite this YouTube script, and the AI will give you generic results, but if you put it together like this, for example, act as a professional YouTube script writer, rewrite this script below to be unique and captivating, keep it in under 400 words, use a simple English, and make it engaging for beginners. Provide the writing script followed by YouTube description, 150 words, and 10 SEO friendly tags. You will get a preferred result. Now, which one do you think gives better result? Exactly the second one, because it set the role, the task, the concept, and the output format. The reason this formula is so powerful is because AI responds best when it has structure. It is like giving GPS direction. If you say, take me somewhere, you will end up lost. But if you say, take me to this exact address using this route and avoid traffic, you will arrive exactly where you want. By using rules, tasks, constraints, and output format, you eliminate guesswork. You should stop begging for prompts online. Instead, you should become the person who creates effective prompt for yourself. Here is the truth. There is no single perfect prompt. The best prompt is the one you design using this 4-step formula. Once you master it, you will never have to depend on anyone else copy and paste prompt ever again. For recap, your prompt should have a role, have a task, and have a constraint, and have an output format for you to get the perfect prompt you want. Apply this method today and you will instantly see how much sharper, smarter, and more useful AI becomes for you. Stop begging for prompts, start prompting better. And if this video added value to you, please subscribe to my channel. Make sure you hit that subscribe button so that you don't miss out anytime I upload a video on this channel. Thank you guys.